I am 900 years old, living in the new millennia, and my age is starting to wear on my face. I can't resort to my old, ancient ways of drinking the blood of children. I like children now. I want to be friends with them, but I just seem to scare them all. I can't even make friends with the adults because I scare their children because of my scars, warts, and green face. It's a vicious cycle. I tried to forage in the woods for healing and restorative herbs. I need mangista, mustra, mugwort to heal my acne and clear my skin. But thanks to the modern chemical runoff, I can't seem to find it anywhere. I just need some tamanu, gulbanum, guduchi to heal my scars and renew my skin. But I can't seem to find it anywhere. When did modern life get so hard? I begin to scream out, please help me. Help me reverse my scarring and my aging. And then it came to me. Magically. I saw it. A true gift from Mother Earth. Vedic Botanicals Restore Face Serum. I had to check for myself. What a blessing. When I looked at the label, I saw not only it had all the ingredients I needed, but it also had cranberry seed oil, a bioavailable form of vitamin E. I had to try it. It felt too good to be true. This blessing would just so easily fall into my path. I had to try it out, see if it really worked on this old green skin. I was surprised at how easy it was to apply. And as I began to rub it on my face, I saw the healing happen right before my eyes. And then all of a sudden, as I rinsed it all off, I was beautiful again, just like I was 900 years ago. I knew I had to see what other people thought. People who would give me real feedback. The children. Oh, they love me. Maybe this century isn't so bad after all. Thank you, Vedic Botanicals.